See, when you're solving linear equations in one variable, this pluses and minus play a big role. Just be careful. If you need help, concentrate. Don't rush to get to the answer. Be slow, study, and win the race. Solve it properly. Get an appropriate, correct answer. Yes, I think it's a right answer. I just did LHS is equal to RHS. I cross-verified. Okay, I just verified the value x is equal to 2. When I put x is equal to 2 in this, what is LHS? LHS is nothing but left-hand side. Okay, Hitansh, as you don't know linear equations in one variable in this expression, this part on the left-hand side is called LHS, left-hand side. This is called RHS, right-hand side. Okay, I'm just doing a verification. Left-hand side. What is the left-hand side? We have 4 into 1 minus x plus 3 into 2 minus x. Okay, so I'm just verifying whether the answer given by Hitansh, Roshan, and rest of them. I'm just checking. How do I check? I'm putting, they said answer is 2. So I'm checking whether 2 is correct or not. When I put x is equal to 2 here, it's 4 into 1 minus 2 plus 3 into 2 minus x is equal to 2. So I'm just substituting the value of x is equal to 2. Check whether it's a right answer or wrong. So that is equal to 4 into, what is 1 minus 2? 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Okay, plus 3 into 2 minus 2 is 0. So that is equal to 4 into minus 1. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, and you have plus 3 into 0 is 0. So your LHS is minus 4 and your RHS is anyways minus 4. As LHS is equal to RHS, I can confidently say the answer is correct. So I did not do all these steps. I just looked into this and just did it mentally. Okay, now let's get on to solve this problem. All of you got it right. I know that, but I'm still solving to help the students who are not opening up. We are new to each other. You're thinking whether I can say whether I understood or not. Don't worry, I'm going to help you here quickly. So 4 into 1 minus x. We need to solve this problem. 4 into 1 minus x plus 3 into 2 minus x is equal to minus 4. How do we do it? We just split it. 4 into 1 is 4. Now 4 into minus x is minus 4x. 4 into minus x. Plus into minus is minus. 4 into minus x is minus 4x. Plus, now we are distributing 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into minus x. 3 into minus x will be minus 3x. 3 into minus x is minus 3x. Is equal to minus 4 on the right hand side. We get x's on the same side. We have minus 4x minus 3x, which is minus 7x. Your minus 7x is equal to, you can take all the numbers on the right hand side. You have minus 4 there. Here you have 4 plus 6 is 10. You have minus 4. You can take this 4 plus 6 is 10. If 10 goes on the right hand side, it will become minus 10. So you have minus 7x. You have minus 7x is equal to minus 14. So what will be the value of x? X will be minus 14 divided by minus 7. So your minus divided by minus, minus into minus, or minus divided by minus is always plus, and your 14 divided by 7, 7 ones are, 7 twos are, therefore the value of x is 2. Okay, make sense? Brilliant. Let's go to the next problem. Solve this problem. Arav, rest of them are able to hear me, Arav. So can you try exiting the class and come back and check your voice? Is everyone else able to hear me? Just mention yes. Okay, brilliant. Brilliant. Okay, okay. Aman Pratap. Hi, Aman. You just joined the class. No problem. Solve this problem. We are solving linear equations in one variable. We just started the class today. It's a new topic. It's a new batch. We're discussing linear equations in one variable. Okay, let me do it. Who is more confident? Akshat, are you confident, or Roshan, are you confident? Whoever is confident, you can start. Let's discuss in the class. Any one of you, go ahead. You tell me the steps, I'll keep writing the steps. Okay, good, Akshat. Go ahead. Let's start.
So first we will open the brackets. Like first it will be 3y minus 21.
3y minus 21. Very good.
Minus
So,
6y.
okay, 1 second, Akshat. Whenever you are explaining, I'll just explain 1 second for everyone. 3 into y is 3y and 3 into minus 7. 3 into minus 7 is minus 21. Very good. Next step. Yeah, Akshat, go ahead.
Then minus 2 into 3y, which is minus 6y.
Very good. Minus 2 into 3y is minus 6y.
And minus 2 into minus 4, which is plus 8.
Very good. Minus 2 into minus 4. Concentrate here. Minus 2 into minus 4. Minus into minus is plus. 2 into 4 is plus 8. Very good. Yes, that should be equal to
2 minus 5y.
2 minus 5y. Very good, Akshat. Next. What
Then
did you do?
Simplify like 3y minus 6y, which
Very good.
is
So
minus,
what Akshat is saying is first he'll simplify this 3y with this minus 6y because these y's are on this left hand side. 3y minus 6y. 3 apples minus 6 apples will be minus 3 apples. Very good. So minus 3y. Very good. What else?
then minus 21 plus 8 will be minus 13.
Very good. This is minus 21 and there is plus 8. Minus 21 and plus 8. There are opposite signs. How do you add numbers with opposite signs? You subtract them. 21 minus 8. What is 21 minus 8? 13. So will I put minus sign or plus sign? I'll put minus sign because the minus number is dominating. You have minus 21. Therefore, it's minus 13. Very good. That should be equal to what? It is 2 minus, yeah, you'll put 2 minus 5y. Very good. What next?
Then we will transpose 5y minus 5y to LHS.
Very good. So he will transpose this minus 5y onto the left hand side. The reason we do that is we have negative number on y on that side. So we'll bring it this side. So minus 5y when it transposed to this side will become 5y. That 5y and your minus 3y is remaining here. That should be equal to, yeah, Akshat, go ahead.
We will transpose minus 13 to RHS.
So this minus 13, which is a number on the left hand side, he'll transpose that to the right hand side. Therefore, you have 2 on the right hand side. This minus 13, when it goes onto the right hand side, it will become plus 13. So your 5y minus 3y will be 2y. Your 2y is equal to 2 plus 13, which is equal to 15. Therefore, your y is equal to 15 divided by 2. Therefore, your y is equal to 15 divided by 2. Yeah, very good. Shirish Bishnoy, I think you made some small mistake somewhere. So when someone is asking you to solve, they're asking you to find out the value of x. So you just need to get the value of x. Okay, anyone? Okay, you might be trying to type and there are roots there. So generally what happens is when students look at this problem, the first thing that they try to do is you try to multiply this root 5, you try to open this bracket. But trust me, there is no need to open that bracket because the value inside the bracket is a number. So there is no need to expand that. So I can continue to write this as root 5 plus 5 times of x is equal to, let me take this 4 on the other side. You have 2 root 5 plus 8 and this plus 4 on that side. When you transpose it is minus 4. So basically it is root 5 plus 5 times of x is equal to 2 root 5 plus your 8 minus 4 is 4. So basically it is something like this. Now you have what is called ax is equal to b. You have a value like ax is equal to b. Whenever you have ax is equal to b, can I say that x is equal to b by a? Can I say x is equal to b by a? Whenever you have ax is equal to b, can I say x is equal to b by a? Yes, I can. So you can see 2 root 5 plus 4. There is nothing to simplify here. Your value of x is simply this value 2 root 5 plus 4 in the numerator divided by this value in the denominator, which is root 5 plus 5. Now, why did I give this question to you? This is not a difficult one. This is a very simple fundamental that I want to teach you as a concept, wherein whenever you have ax is equal to b, you know x is equal to b by a. So the value, the coefficient, the number, so whenever we have ax, this a is called the coefficient of x. People who don't know this, you can write it. X, this is called coefficient. It's called coefficient of x. This particular value is called coefficient of x. So for example, you have in future when you see a quadratic equation like this, 2x squared plus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now, what is this 2? This is coefficient of x squared. This is coefficient of x. This is called constant in a quadratic equation. Yeah. So good question. Good question. Akshat, you're right. You can rationalize, but the question is, no one asked you to rationalize and get to some answer. It depends on the question. If your question requires an answer to be rationalized and simplified, if you want to do that, you can do it. But for the standard you are in now, we are trying to learn what is the value of x. This is the value of x. If you want to simplify this further, yes, you need to rationalize the denominator. But as of now, we need not do that. I'm okay with this answer. This is the answer, right? So rationalization of irrational numbers, rationalizing it is not a part of this particular situation. So I just want you to learn how do you separate x and get the value of x. Does that make sense to you, Akshat?